How to verify Tonkeeper Wallet. So if you want to verify your Tonkeeper wallet, then first you just need to simply open up your Tonkeeper application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection and make sure that you've logged into your account. Now, in order to verify, you don't need to actually do anything because your account is verified already. However, you just have to put some extra layer of security in order to verify your Tonkeeper wallet. For that, you just have to open the gear shaped icon, which is on the upper right, and you'll be able to see the backup option. Tap on backup, which is on the first, and here you will have backup manually. Tap on it and then tap on continue, which is on the bottom of your screen, and you need to enter your password. Enter your password, and then here you will have your recovery phrases, right? Recovery phrases. And you just need to simply copy the recovery phrases or keep them in a safe space so that you'll be able to log into your account next time or at the time of recovering your account. Now you just need to come back to your settings and you'll have to tap on the security option. Tap on security, and here you can use your biometrics. You can use your fingerprint or face lock like that, and then you can also have the lock screen option, so you can simply toggle on the option and your wallet will require the password to log into your account or to open the application. So you can simply use the security options in order to have the extra security. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.